Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the 90 FPS drop test in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use the Realme GT Neo 2 exactly in this video. As you can see, so right now I'm trying to do this kind of 90 FPS drop test in this video, and these are drop tests which I'm trying to do after the recent update of the Battlefront mobile game. And with the official update, we didn't get any 90 FPS by default. Yes, so there is no 90 FPS by default. You need to use a GFX tool and config file to get the 90 FPS. That's something you should definitely understand about. So right now I'm trying to use the GFX tool at this moment. So if you want to know how to use that, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll try to upload the video. But this video is to demonstrate the FPS drop test. So right now, as you can see friends, how is the FPS is going on at this moment. So I just want to do drop test in the Pochinki map here right now, and you should be able to see the real-time FPS meter monitoring. So it kind of dropped up to 85 FPS, 89, 88, 79 as well. So you can see 79 FPS, it dropped a little bit. 47 also, it dropped 51, 79. You can see the FPS, how it got dropped a little bit, and finally maintained about 69, 74 as you can see. So let's do the general FPS drop test in the teamlet match as well. So obviously a teamlet match going on regarding the FPS drop test. So we'll try to see. So overall you can see friends, 90 FPS, 88 FPS it's maintaining. So slightly kind of there's a network issues. That's the reason there's a latency is going on a little bit more. And 40 haptic vibrations I'm not getting at this moment, unfortunately, in the Realme GT Neo 2 anyway while playing. But definitely you will be able to get using the GFX tool 90 FPS kind of possible. As you can see friends, overall 86 FPS. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick FPS drop test guys in the Realme GT Neo 2. So overall next time I'll try to do that definitely on the bootcamp map as well. So right now the map is not downloaded yet. That's the reason I cannot show you on the bootcamp. But definitely next time I'll try to do again one more drop test very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. Right now as you can see, obviously FPS 86 it's maintaining, not bad. (89 FPS, 88). So friends, this is a quick FPS drop test in the Realme GT Neo 2 using with the 90 FPS at this moment. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and instead of more updates, so make sure to follow my channel regularly for more updates on this videos. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching and bye.